Seng Riewlum ke jelai ke bakentop ya ke UDP, ke PDF, ke VPP, ke HSPDP rengkat bat ke Seng Kongres, bat ke Trinamool Kongres. Ha ke sengi thok diang kle kenduk lang ha ke nong bak shelong na ke bentar bani syong perkat, bantau ke Sorkar senrop lang, ke ban kentop lang ya ke Seng NPP, bat ke BJP. Harga ni kejeng kenduk lang lawan bani syem bentar di MLA ke berang sujab ya ke election ke bakentop ya ke UDP, ke VPP, ke PDF, ke TMC bat ke Kongres bat uwe MLA Khlem Seng u Remington G Moment. Nraya ke Seng HSPDP lawan ban mi kemat u Presiden u bak KP Pangyang kat bagi MLA ke HSPDP ke bakentop u bak Syakliar Warjeri bat u bak Methodius Dekar kem syem lawan setia bani syem bentar harga ni kejeng yalang. Unang yalam ke Trinamool Kongres ubak Charles Pengrop uluang bagan ke kenhuan kan Thaw Sorkar ramar keladon yang kejengbun pa. Bad ke HSPDP ru lawan ban mi kemat dau presiden. Kani ke kenhuan ke dan lai pongut ke MLA ke bakentop na ke UDP kat wengut, na ke Kongres bad TMC mar sangut, na ke VPP saungut, na ke HSPDP bad PDF mar arngut, bad uwe MLA Khlem Seng. Kinong yalam kilapan pau bagan ke kenhuan kelarai bane trailang da kowe ke jingmut bantau ke Sorkar Khlem da kentop lang ya ke NPP bat ke BJP. Bat kene ke kenhuan kan train ke bentar ban ke jing syakri ke babha bat ke bakut basubaya ke bat ba ke jela. Hendrai tang hadian kat tu kene por kene ke jingalang jo kene ke kenhuan kalau pulam no haba arngut ki MLA ke HSPDP bat arngut ki MLA Khlem Seng kilalit ban jing Kyrshan ya ke Seng NPP hapo ke jingalam Konrad Kongkal Sangma na ke bentar bantau ke Sorkar ke batamai. Laban ong pada ke jing jing Kyrshan kini ke sangut ke kenhuan ke belam da ke Seng NPP bat ke BJP mentai ki don ya ke jing bon pat ke balakot syakal laipu arngut.
Em ya kata ngam padlak ban ong ye ya ka jing ngau joki balai be kija nang ni bat balai ban bat chenu kin ya leit ban ya long perlok te nagaliang jungi kum ka parti him padlak ban ong ye na marba ni dang don hang ni ban ya syong pat ki ban ya berkhat para kapor bakin don kini ki MLA bar khot jong kini ki pat ki partis te kilalap ba jano te ngi himla ban ong ye ru benta.
Is it true two HSPDP MLAs they have not come here?
They have come here. They went for pee. I don't know where they went.
They went for?
Somewhere Paikhana can. So me entering last. I don't know what they had a meeting actually. They said that we will stay united. That's all. So I went there and asked them that we want to stay united. I think one of our CLP members, they might have spoken about, what we had meeting about inside.
We have seen that as political parties we are meeting today in order to explore the possibility of forming the government without NPP. So we are now still exploring the possibility. That is all I can say.
So do you have the numbers, because we heard two of the HSPDP members are missing?
We are yet to confirm whether those HSPDP MLAs are really missing or not. So only time can tell.
So now how many of you
we are here 28 if I'm not mistaken.
You are hopeful to form an alternative one?
As leader we are always hopeful on any issue. You see, first there is some feeling that we would like to have a non-BJP and NPP government. But our first and foremost is to see that NPP is not there in the government. I think it's sad that we need to have a law, an anti-defection law, to prevent members from jumping ship from one ship to another ship. But still, the law fails, to be upheld. So what we feel is that we need to find a person, a candidate or a leader who is committed to the cause, the ideology, the philosophy of the party. That's all I can say.
Do the people of the state want the state to be subjected to similar kind of plundering that the people of the state have witnessed in the preceding 5 years? No. This particular no is reflected by the mandate, loud and clear. Therefore, the honors of responsibility of all the political parties, except the party who were leading the government and who were in the helm of affairs of governance and who were responsible to take cognizance of those alleged irregularities and alleged corruption and decided to be on denial mode all the time, facilitating, plundering of the state to such a scale. All the rest of the political parties must understand that along with this mandate comes there a responsibility, a huge responsibility which revolves around on a priority of protecting the interests of the state and coming together and working together for the larger good of the people. That's the only sole responsibility that is vested upon each one of us. Therefore, this meeting discuss the need to come together. The need to come together and stand firm in our commitment to ensure that the state is not subjected again to that kind of misrule and unprecedented plundering that has inflicted irreversible damage to the state's fiscal health. Also, force the state to have an infamous tag of being named as the #1 corrupt state in the whole country.
No, we have not decided anything yet. But basically, they want to come and sit together so that all the new elected members are present.
So have you discussed about the numbers to form or to stake claim to form the government?
We have not discussed about taking claim to form the government. But basically is we wanted to meet and see that all the, except one or two who could not be present here, and all the political parties who are here today have expressed to be together.
Do you have the numbers with you, sir?
Sorry?
Do you have the numbers with you?
As far as the numbers is, the house now is 59, and as of this afternoon, as what we had seen, for those who have come and expressed are 31 elected members. As of now, we will be sitting as a party again and decide on this matter.
So I just wanted to confirm once again if the PDF was part of the meeting.
Yeah, very much. PDF is part of the meeting.
Why this UDP decided not to go with NPP?
See, it's not that we decided to go or not to go. It's basically that all those who wishes to be together, they have expressed their opinions that we would like to be together.
The NPP ke Khlem khot dia phi bandar nomor ke sarkar.
We have no, there's nothing as such.
Tang hadian kendiat kenta bagi Ngut ki MLA jong Seng HSPDP Khlem ke jing tip lang jong President jong Seng uba KP Pangyang kilepet no na ke jing lang ke belalong hasilong bania keren ke jing Thaw ke Sorkar bathamai bakentop uba Shakliar Warjri ubala job na ke Mauthat Rashan constituency bad uba Methodius Dekar ubala job na ke Motion Road constituency. U President ke HSPDP uba KP Pangyang ulalet IT de ke jing Thaw ban pensyai show National President ke NPP u Konrad Kongkal Sangma bat ulat ke jela Hakabala Thaw Shai bakaseng HSPDP kam shamla aibor ngi Ngut ki MLA ban Kyrshan ke NPP bat ka BJP ban Thaw Sorkar. Hendrai bekilale hishimet Khlem da yobor nagibor bahalor jong ke HSPDP. Kabai thamula ban I hakane kajan miet jong kalai terik leber arhajar arpulai kalong bahakani ke jenglet IT ke ni kesithi kam shamla long ke besok ya Presiden ke HSPDP ban orong hakayeng jong Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Namar lasaki bagi wei gibawan hadian kalong kebesuk iki ban orong kat bayu Presiden jong ke HSPDP lapat nap habar Islam bah hadu bu lalit phaino Khlem IT ke niksiti ban lahap ban pha lengba ke WhatsApp
ngin parai officially ban ong ban leit ka di Kyrshan ke Sorkar but kidang don hakin negotiation bagi ken but kini non BJP non NPP party Pemerintahan kasih lah kor lembaga UDP bat kiwe parti PDF bat kiwe parti kenapa no te nagaliang ke parti meneng yang don hapreng ke jinge pen baik te rengi sungu kondit ba nagaliang ke MLA jungi i ngiui hagalembag ki social media ba kelej ban ay ka support daka signature ke jungki simet kumki MLA te gidon ke prosedur ke parti the day bangin support adin bangli sai le tai le menjulang ke parti kun hata paderu ni haban pha hi daga letter of support officially daga party te hoi kala balong ke jing bakla ke jongki te nagaliak jungi ni ban seng ni haban tho daga party berkawai ba withdraw shwa ya gane support jugi ke believe from jugi bagi kwa bagi MLA ke jugi ru in wan bani penbet shwa bar party but da kanu ka jugi penbet ke jugi shwa shino ban Kyrshan ru tena kata daw ha pam parai bor ka party empat rai ka party officially te ke bomot ba ni ha ban withdraw shwa
ke action bapila ban sim le sinema kalong bakia persa ya ka kerti terikam ke parti.
Kum ke MLA ke long junior lah banong. Lesi kadon kacing sa dalam baklang neng tai. Te ngim don ye banong ban action rek ke ngim kam kalong ngim withdraw so ya gani. Ini pembe ke parti ke. Isi rai ke kam.
Saya ekran berarti hadir berkelale nikahi.
Yo ban kontak lang ba phone tak wa yo tenak tak daw baka parti jungi Kyrshan ko parti ke leng sodong. Ila kli yangi ngim kam ke jing pensai dengi ongi ki ba tong in tho no da ka city jong party ya ka bide bar kita ka jing don kaung jong ki ha ka bide ban yekren ban ngi sang yekren la sibit bala shai mle kata
ba sa ka ka banta ba ngi ba pi awan khamslam bang ni ban up ban yo rong hang ni yeng jong u konrat ke sang ma hande ngi ba ki wi bon hadien klayo ban rong hande ki kamburam pat ya ikhtiar jong pi kum president jong HSPDP
ngam ju kwa bakin buram nga kum ikhtiar jong president hande ngi shwa tang ban peni bangi don kam ya kata ka ya kacing ya trelang mo da ka ba bede bersai nga ban rum pada ka bangi yekren kamaru tenrei ya kacing bom sha ka jong kile se kadon da koi per kacing mut jong ki kata ngam lam batai tenrei na kaleng chunga ngam dani ei kacing snow bat nga smutrai la gari sile jong ya ke jala la le jong bat ba ngam dani kacing thut la ngam dani ke ei kacing susi shilong ba ke kacing kwa nga ban ai ka long bangin don ka jing yekren ka ba kham shai se kacing tho kam long ka ba shai